already buying supplies for graduation season. You don't even know what's selling yet. You don't even know how to price it, how to market it. Girl, make it make sense. And child, just to make it even worse, some of y'all are out here selling t-shirts for $15 just to say you made a sale. Oh, and don't let little cousin Pookie find out you're doing $15 t-shirt. He gonna want it for $10. $10? Child, now you're around here stressed and tired talking about graduation ain't profitable. Now you ain't profitable. I mean, girl, at this point, we just gonna call you little non-profit. Cause you love running a non-profit business, but we can change that. That's why in this video, I'm about to tell y'all the top 5 graduation items that sell, why you need to stop trying to make everything, and how you can stop selling these little $10 t-shirts, messing around with your cousin Pookie them, and get to the real bag. Let's get it. Hey y'all, it is your girl Crafting with Cassy, and I'm everybody's favorite craft business coach because I teach crafters how to get to that bag, whether it's through crafts, digital content, you name it, we claim it. And look, everybody always asking me, Coach, what supplies do I need to make custom graduation items? Wrong question, boo. Come with me. Now, if you're a newbie, the real question you should be asking me is what graduation crafts are the top sellers? Because if you out here trying to make every single thing you see on Instagram, you see on YouTube, you see on Facebook, you see on Pinterest, you see in your dreams. Because y'all know crafters never get no sleep. We always trying to come up with the next idea of what's the next thing we can make. That means you about to spend a whole lot of money and make a whole lot of nothing. So listen to me good. Graduation is real short and a very emotional time for parents. So that means you do not have no time to be experimenting. The only thing you need to be doing is executing. So no, don't buy no supplies first. The only thing I need you to do is decide what you selling first. And then you buy the supplies to support that. And that right there, my friend, gonna save you hundreds of dollars. So let me give you the real list of the top 5 items that sell every graduation season. Number 1, t-shirts, and not just one, but 2 or more. And that, my friend, is what you call upselling. That's where you get one customer to buy more of the same item. So instead of saying, here's one t-shirt for $25, but if you get 2, it's gonna be $45. See how you knocked out $5? Which one sounds more sexy? And then you gotta think about it. When it comes to t-shirts, mama want one, daddy want one, auntie want one, sister want one, cousin want one, brother want one. The whole section at the ceremony want one. So why would you just sell one t-shirt? Number 2, graduation stoves. Graduation stoves. I mean, let's be real. Stoves are premium. They look official. They photograph beautifully. And baby, they make a statement. When you walk through that graduation with this stove on, oh baby, it's giving big graduate, not the little one. And oh child, you can't forget about the fan. You can't forget about the fans. Now, when you sell these, the MOQ is 5, meaning minimum order quantity, meaning I don't even make them unless you order a minimum of 5. And they are $8 per, so that's 5 for $40. So automatically, when you make these, $40 off the rip. $40 off the rip. And let me tell you why these bad babies sell. Baby, it be hot as I don't know what at them ceremonies. I mean, everybody be out there sweating. But imagine them parents got their baby's face on the fan. Baby, they gonna be waving them fans all day. Whether it's hot or not, I'll be out there just fanning. And fanning. And fanning. Don't play with my baby when it comes to graduation. Number 4, graduation party favors. Graduation party favors. I'm talking chip bags, Rice Krispie treats, Capri Sun, Hershey bars, water bottles, and Pringles with the toppers. And parents do not want basic when it comes to custom items. They want everything exclusive. And when you offer a bundle instead of one item, oh, that's when you get in that bag. That's when you really get in that bag. And number 5, graduation gift bags. Ooh. Can you imagine just walking through that thing with a custom gift bag and everybody like, ooh, where you get it from? And now they referring you to everybody, their mama, their auntie, their cousin, their sister, their brother. Girl, what are we doing? Now let's talk about pricing for a second, because if you are selling custom t-shirt for $10 to $15, will you wear yourself out? Because by the time you pay for the t-shirt, all of the craft supplies, your time, your electricity, your mistakes, girl, you barely make anything. And then when somebody asks you for a discount, you feel pressured because you already priced it low. And now when you get them a discount, they're gonna tell their homegirl they got a discount. Now their homegirl coming to shop with you and she want a discount too. So don't think that because y'all discount stuff and they they referring y'all to everybody. Everybody that come, y'all gonna pay full price. They gonna pay the same price that they friend went bragging, talking about, oh girl, Nunu making $10 t-shirts. So not everybody want $10 t-shirts. Graduation is an emotional buying season. I mean, parents are proud, they celebrating, and they are not price sensitive. So this is when you bundle, you upsell, you cross sell. Instead of selling one t-shirt, you say, hey, I got one t-shirt for $25, but you can get two for $45. That's how you bundle. Instead of just selling the stove, you cross sell them by saying, do you want some matching fans with it? Instead of just selling party favors, ask them, do they need the whole graduation package? The party favor, the t-shirt, the stove, and the goddamn gift bag. And that, my friend, is how you turn one order into $300 instead of $30. The biggest mistake that I see crafters making during graduation season is trying to make everything and they pricing too low. So pick 3 to 5 core items, create bundles around them, and just streamline your processes. That is how you actually make money, not just by being busy, but by being strategic. But it's okay, because that's why I created my 5-day graduation challenge, because I am not just teaching you how to make custom items. I am teaching y'all in 5 days how to design in Canva, how to make the top favorite crafts, how to price them correctly, how to market them, and how to take orders correctly so you're not leaving no money on the table. In 5 days, imagine what your graduation season can look like if you stop winging it and actually started executing with the real plan. Girl, you'll be the top of the town for real. And not for them little $10 t-shirts, but because you got some real bundles with real prices. So if you are serious about making graduation money this season, I need y'all to go ahead and comment the word grad below. Join my 5-day graduation challenge. Well, just go to the website, www.CWd&x.com, and grab your seat in my free 5-day graduation challenge. You won't regret it. I promise you, you won't. And girl, stop asking what supplies you need and start asking, what are my top sellers that I need to be making? Oh, and girl, while you at it, if you don't been on this line this long, that means you stuck like Chuck says. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. So that way when I post my video next week, y'all will be notified, so y'all can go ahead and get these gems for graduation season. But thank y'all so much for tuning into my shenanigans. I'll see y'all next week.